Hi, I'm Brian Lober and welcome to MarineMax Norwalk, Connecticut. Today we're going to be taking a video walkthrough of our 2021 Scout Boats 215 XSF. She's a beautiful center console, 21 feet length overall, Mercury outboard, she's ready to roll. What's really cool about these Scout center consoles is that they're set up for both fishing and for cruising. They're going to have a lot of seating, places for entertaining your family, as well as catching some fish. You'll notice here at the transom, fold out bench seat, ski pylon, and the port quarter live well. This does have the Mercury 200 horsepower power plant. Great engine for the boat. Moving towards the helm, you'll see that we have the deluxe leaning post here with the Yeti cooler. We did hook this boat up with electronics already from the factory. Full touchscreen Garmin unit, Fusion head unit for the stereo, and all your switches. These have been updated for the 2021 model year. Very, very nice fit and finish here. Mercury digital throttle and shift, Lenco trim tabs. Very nice setup. Up in the bow, we have some nice seating. So you'll notice in front of the center console, we have the coffin box. It is long enough to outstretch your legs, comfortable spot to sit. Lots of storage in there, and this does drain. Forward-facing port and starboard seats, with storage underneath both sides, and your anchor locker. Nice canvas T-top. Sets off the lines of the boat nicely. For information on this Scout 215 XSF, come see us at MarineMax Norwalk at 130 Water Street, or give us a call at 203-831-6311. I'm Brian Lober, thanks for stopping by.